If you or someone you know is struggling with high blood sugar levels, weight gain, or fatigue, insulin resistance might be a key factor. But don't worry, we're going to discuss the best dietary strategies to help manage it. Ready? Let's get started. Insulin resistance occurs when the cells in your body stop responding well to insulin, the hormone that helps glucose enter your cells to be used for energy. When this happens, your pancreas has to produce more insulin to keep your blood sugar levels stable. Over time, this can lead to elevated blood sugar and eventually type 2 diabetes. It's important to know that insulin resistance is often a precursor to diabetes, but the good news is it can be managed and even reversed with the right diet and lifestyle. So, how does diet play a role in managing insulin resistance? One of the biggest factors is the type of carbs you're eating. Not all carbs are created equal. Refined carbs, think white bread, sugary snacks, and soft drinks, cause a quick spike in your blood sugar, which puts extra pressure on your body to produce insulin. Over time, this constant demand weakens the body's insulin response. On the other hand, complex carbohydrates found in foods like whole grains, legumes, and vegetables break down much more slowly. They provide steady energy without the sudden sugar spikes. So, swap out that white rice for quinoa, replace sugary cereals with oats, and watch how your body responds. Next up is fiber. It's your secret weapon in the fight against insulin resistance. Fiber-rich foods like vegetables, fruits with skins, whole grains, and legumes slow down digestion, preventing those sudden rises in blood sugar levels. Studies show that increasing your intake of soluble fiber, found in foods like oats, flax seeds, and beans, can help improve insulin sensitivity and regulate blood sugar. Plus, fiber helps keep you full longer, reducing the temptation to snack on unhealthy foods. So, be sure to pack your meals with veggies and whole foods. Now, let's talk about fats and protein. When managing insulin resistance, it's essential to have a good balance of healthy fats and lean proteins in your diet. Healthy fats, such as those found in avocados, nuts, seeds, and olive oil, can actually improve insulin sensitivity. They also slow down the absorption of carbs, helping to keep blood sugar levels stable. As for protein, it should be a key component in every meal. Protein doesn't cause the same spike in blood sugar that carbs do, and it can help you feel full and satisfied. Choose lean sources like chicken, turkey, eggs, tofu, and fish. So, next time you're making dinner, think grilled salmon with a side of roasted veggies drizzled in olive oil. You'll be getting your healthy fats, fiber, and lean protein all in one delicious meal. Let's shift gears and discuss what not to eat. If you're dealing with insulin resistance, there are a few foods you'll want to avoid, or at least limit. First on the list is sugar. Sugary snacks, desserts, and sodas are your worst enemies because they cause those dreaded blood sugar spikes. Refined grains, such as white bread, white rice, and pasta, should also be limited. Instead, opt for whole grain options like brown rice, barley, or quinoa. And remember, processed foods, including packaged snacks and fast food, often contain hidden sugars and unhealthy fats that worsen insulin resistance. The idea is to stick with whole, unprocessed foods as much as possible. Your body will thank you. Another important aspect of managing insulin resistance is when and how much you eat. Eating large meals can overwhelm your body's ability to process the sugar in your food, leading to higher blood sugar levels. Instead, try eating smaller, more frequent meals throughout the day to prevent spikes and keep your energy stable. In addition, practicing portion control can help you avoid overeating and manage your weight, both of which are crucial for improving insulin sensitivity. Mindful eating, being aware of what and how much you're consuming, can make a huge difference in how your body responds to food. Finally, let's not forget the power of hydration. Staying properly hydrated can help your body maintain normal blood sugar levels. And when it comes to beverages, the simplest rule is to avoid sugary drinks. Sodas, fruit juices, and even some sports drinks are loaded with sugar and can spike your blood sugar in no time. Instead, drink plenty of water throughout the day. You can also add herbal teas or infused water for a bit of flavor without the sugar. So, let's quickly recap. The key to managing insulin resistance through diet comes down to choosing the right kinds of carbs, think whole grains, legumes, and veggies. Load up on fiber, include healthy fats and lean protein in every meal, and avoid sugary snacks and refined grains. And don't forget to stay hydrated and practice portion control. With these simple changes, you can improve your insulin sensitivity and take control of your health. Thanks for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more health tips.